Welcome to the training videos for the smart irrigation system. Our product features two main displays within the control unit. The first screen, shown here, is the real-time monitoring and data display unit. This screen allows farmers to view the performance of the irrigation system and the hybrid energy system in real time. When the energy module is selected on the touch screen, farmers can access real-time data on energy production and consumption. This data includes localized weather conditions, power generated by wind and solar sources, total available power, and pumping power. Currently, since the crop does not need irrigation and the water storage tank is adequately filled, the power consumption of both the upstream and downstream pumps is zero. When the irrigation module is selected on the touch screen, farmers can access real-time data on the irrigation system. This data includes real-time soil moisture levels in the field, the percentage of available water in the tank, the operational status of the irrigation system, running or off, the on-off status of both the upstream and downstream pumps, and the volume flow rate of the irrigation water. The second display unit in our product is the irrigation control settings panel, which allows farmers to set parameters related to crop and irrigation control. It displays the irrigation status, on/off, the type of irrigation system, smart control or conventional, and the number of days set for irrigation. Advanced settings are available to the right of the screen. When the settings option is selected on the touch screen, farmers are taken to a new tab where they can access two options: Current settings, Advanced settings. In the Current settings tab, farmers can change, adjust, or update the number of days the crop has been cultivated, select the irrigation approach, and turn the irrigation system on or off. Once a crop is selected, the farmer must choose the type of seed used. Since the irrigation system depends on the crop variety, seed selection ensures that the controller supplies optimal irrigation based on the crop's needs. Once a crop is selected, the farmer must choose the type of seed used. Since the irrigation system depends on the crop variety, seed selection ensures that the controller supplies optimal irrigation based on the crop's needs. Irrigation strongly depends on the type of soil. As a final step, the farmer must select the soil type for their farm. Our database includes all possible soil types for agricultural lands in Pakistan. While setting these parameters, the farmer can return to the previous screen by selecting the arrow icon at the bottom left. Once the soil type is selected, the controller automatically returns to the home screen of the irrigation control panel.